Ona mbere ya ruhonge rwa borithi na kamiti ya wandikani wa maabitha borithi NPSC igite na wiguano wigi uria mihang'o ya woyani wa makurutu 10,000 ya borithi gutabanio. Ona kana muthenya uria mihang'o eno igatabanio mateta megie waragania wa mihang'o eno ni mambiriirie kwiyumiria. Akenya ingi makioneka kugia na wagagu wa kana ne makagia na mieke meigananu kumana na mutugo uria wiyumiragia woheani na witania wa mahaki mihang'o-ini ino.
Our mandate is to do oversight on the police work, to receive complaints from members of the public on matters of the policing. And we know it's a matter of public interest, the upcoming recruitment.
EACC and IPOA have information that will be useful in helping to instill integrity within the police force. Police service.
Nikumana na undu uyu kamiti ya kunyabara uruti wira wa maabitha borithi ya EPOA itabanire icera nginya wabici-ini cia kamiti ya kuhurana na ngukumio EACC niguo kwaraniria na guthugunda uria mekurutithania wira hari kunyabara mihang'o ino na makiria matigirire ni mang'ethanira na ciiko ciothe cia ungumania iria cieyumiragia hindi ya woyani wa makurutu.
We have agreed that we'll work together as the two commissions to see how we can monitor whatever is happening within the recruitment of police officers that is soon upcoming and even the future ones, so that the members of the public can participate in a free, fair and transparent recruitment of young people who want to join the police service.
We are very keen to work with the EACC to ensure that this exercise, upcoming exercise, is done in a most professional, transparent and honest way.
Honge ici igiri irutite ritana kuri utongoria wa ruhonge rwa borithi gutigirira mihang'o eno igatabanio na njira ya waragania na makiria ino theri niguo kuhe muingi wa bururi mwihoko ati andu othe megukorwo na mweke uiganaine na aria angi na gutiri andu mekugerio murango wa thutha na kuheo mieke ino.
The recruitment gives an opportunity to the leadership of the police and to the governance institutions to ensure that the intake, the recruitment of the 10,000 officers is done in a more transparent and efficient manner to ensure that there is public confidence in the exercise.
Working together to just look at what are some of the trends, what are some of the causes, what are the sources of this trend that seems to enhance corruption, perceived corruption within the police sector.
Hindi ya gikaro giki EACC na EPOA ni ciguithanirie kunyitanira na guthugunda kiria githiaga na mbere ruhonge-ini ruru rwa borithi na gigacungiriria mature magwetagwo tario matongoretie hari gwikuruhania na ciiko cia ungumania bururi-ini.
Every year when we do surveys, both locally and internationally, the police service seems to come up at the top of that survey list of the most corrupt institutions. And this is something that we do not celebrate, and we would want to see what can we do to ensure that this does not continue.
We are looking forward to having more collaboration in terms of studying the trends of the patterns and trends of corruption in the service.
Thank you.
Ngirivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.